Okay, so it's all right here then. Oh, that's better. Ropes. Why do they always put ropes on these cool tools? Making sure I got all the holes. And releasing. So there you have it. We are starting to work on a pair of desks. Now, if you want to see detail about this, where I actually go into the how-to and talk through what I'm thinking and why I'm thinking, I have a whole second channel where we do that. This is more or less the easy listening. We're going to have about 6 episodes over the course of the next 3 or 4 months, where we're going to be building 2 desks side by side, about 8 foot long, bent lamination. These are going to be a lot of fun. So today we're just getting into pouring the epoxy and flattening the top. It is a relatively straightforward process, but I wanted to talk through some of the steps in this. Those are particularly over in the second channel. We are going to be doing more of the base and starting to work on the joinery on that next time, so come along for that. If you do have any questions or ideas, let me know those down in the comments below. I do like to answer as many of those as I possibly can get to. I am hoping to have plans available for this eventually, though, as the first one is going to be a prototype and the second one is more or less the work through. I'm going to wait until I've worked out some of the kinks before releasing plans on this. So stay tuned for that if that's something you want to see. So I think that'll do it for today. And until next time, have a wonderful day. Now, the tabletops here are made out of red oak, but you know I like white oak, so that means I'm going to have to paint these white.